Friday, many Silicon Valley Bank customers rushed to withdraw their money after the bank crashed. Now, East Texans are concerned about their deposits and what this means moving forward. KETK's Tori Bean is here to answer some of those concerns. Tori.
Casey, the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank last week is the second largest bank failure in United States history, causing people to fear if they need to withdraw all their money. When you deposit your money, you want to know it's safe. But after Silicon Valley Bank crashed, East Texans aren't sure if they can trust their bank.
The banking system here in East Texas is functioning and will continue to function just perfectly.
David Kaiser, director of SFA's Chadwick Family Banking Program, says there's no need to worry because you'll always have access to your money.
So the bank has on hand enough cash at all times to meet their normal depositor obligations.
He says that is because of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, or FDIC.
You need to understand that all bank deposits are insured up to $250,000 per depositor. Per bank.
Jed Oliver, a financial advisor in Tyler, says the question on some East Texans' minds is what happens to your cash once deposited.
The bank is required to keep some on reserve to have money on hand for withdrawals as needed.
He says the other half is then invested or loaned out. And you don't need to panic when you hear about banks crashing.
The vast majority of people that are not involved directly with those banks that you've been hearing about in the news, the money's going to be there as it always has been.
If you're still worried, both Kaiser and Oliver say there are some things you can do to ease your mind.
Depositors should always make sure they're dealing with a bank that is insured by the FDIC.
You can also speak directly with your banker about your concerns. Experts say if you plan to have more than $250,000, it is best to separate it out across several accounts to keep it insured under the FDIC. In studio, Tori Bean, KETK News.